Dude, that is a
Come
toad.
on.
I got him, babe. Absolute toad. What's that other one down? It's 20 pounds too. Uh-oh. Another rod back here is getting hit. Look at that rod. Too big. Uh-oh. Kelsey.
I'm worn out for a minute.
Here, hold this. Let me get this fish.
Ew.
You ready?
Yeah.
Yep, he's on there. Just a little one.
You're just gonna hear my breathing in the video.
He's a little guy. Thank goodness I couldn't handle another big one right now. Show him what's in the floor. You broke your personal best twice. That's insane. In the same day.
In the same spot.
In the same spot.
I think I have more slime on me than the fish does.
Where's that net?
I gotta put it back together.
Well, he might be small enough I can flip him.
You want me to put it together or not?
No, I'll flip him. We only got 2 rods left in the water. Can't keep them in the water. Oh, God, my arms are shaking.
Yeah, mine too.
I'm wore out.
This video might be shaky.
Woo!
Way to give. He has a fat belly.
Dude. You guys probably thought I was joking when I said we can't keep them down. Well.
Alright, I'm shutting the video off.
Alright.
Well, here we are, folks. We're in some flooded beans here at Milford Reservoir. I've got some bait that I just cut up. See if we can get them blue cats or channel cats to hit something out here. Pretty nice day. Thinking this ain't gonna take very long. Oh yeah, fish on. Man, they're really out there feeding in this flooded bean field. They're really in here. It's a lot of fun. Let's see what we got here. Been catching a few channels in here. Sure it's a keeper. Whoop. Well, my hat got in the video there, didn't it? Pretty sure it's a keeper. Oh yeah, nice fish. Nice fish. Can't tell, the sun's shining. There we go. I think I'm in the video now. Look at there, folks. Every day, all day long. Flooded beans. Get you some.
Excelente carrete para el dinero que vale. Freno está muy suave. Lía el hilo muy bien. Y es potente el freno. Vamos, que para lo que ha costado compraría otro inmediatamente, vamos. Espero que no se acaben.
This is the Sougayilang Warrior 4000 from Amazon. I had to return the first one that I got sent since it had a wobbly handle knob. This one isn't so bad. This one's pretty wobbly, but not as wobbly as the first one that I got. So far, I have no complaint about this reel except for the handle, but it isn't bad for $35.
Pretty good, but this piece right here broke when we was fishing and wouldn't work. So I found another piece of a reel and cut this off, put a little bolt on it, and fixed it myself. I don't throw things away. I'm a survivor and I know how to fix things. But it works just as fine.